Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change iPhone country or region to any other region. If you are using any Apple ID on your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device and you want to change your country or region to any other regions, let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to double check your network connection that you are connected to a strong network connection, and after that you have to open your settings, go for general, then go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you find any connected VPN you have to try to disconnect with that. Then open your app store, tap on your app profile in the top right corner, tap on your account here, and now you just have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Then select your country or region option, and now you just have to select the country or region which you want to choose. For example, I'm going to randomly select this one. So once I've selected, tap on the continue option here, and then tap on agree in the top right corner. And here you have to add your payment method if you have your any credit or debit card or anything else from here. So you just have to select that option. Or if you don't want to add any payment method, so you can select the none option from here. And then you have to enter these informations. After entering these information, you have to tap on the done option, and your country or region will be successfully changed to the selected country or region and your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.